The Rooster's in the house. Well, I'll tell you what's up. I'm gonna take you through the timeline of what it's like to live in the heels of the Rooster. How I make money and how I make bitches and what I do every day and every way to put out these singles. Check it, wake up, here on the farm. Gotta wake your ass up, cause I am your alarm. Gotta cruise around, down by the cows. Make them go wild with my sick rhyming style, yo. Gotta go and lay the hands so they can lay their eggs by your demand. So you can go to the dentist and get your hands slammed delicious. Breakfast, man, check it. Gonna put it by the hamstrings. Got the ham links, got the sausage links, got the egg sunny side up scrambled, bitch. Cause I made that shit by smacking that chicken ass. Guess what? I don't need your sass, cause I'm putting down stuff on your plate for the morning grass. Guess what, dog? I'm the Rooster, bitch. Respect, love, yeah. Why? Tell me why? Why they gotta be like that, like that, like that, like that, like that? Tell me why? Tell me why? Why you gotta be like that, like that, like that, like that, like that? Faux cheesy, wheezy, chicken with the leezy. Guess what? I got P didn't rap and mom in this heezy. He's gonna show you what's up now. He's gonna take you around town what it's like to be a blood, Crips, everything. Cause I'm the Rooster, part of everything. Got everything behind my back, I got feathers and shit. P Diddy, hit the mic. Show him what's up, man. Oh damn, P Diddy, how you doing like that? Tell me why, tell me why you gotta be like that, like that, like that, like that, like that? Tell me why, God, tell me why you gotta be like that, like that, like that, like that, like that? Let me break this down to you, slow and easy. Why I can't swim, yo? Oh, cheesy. Look at these feathers. You think they can flap? They ain't fins, bitch. I ain't a fish. I am a chicken that raps. Not a chicken, but a rooster. Cause I'm a man. Got a big cock in my hand. I don't mean that in a meaningful way. I mean I have a big penis. So better watch your day. Guess what? I'm gonna come in the farm. Gonna set everything on fire cause the way your alarm. I ain't gonna scream in the top of my lungs. Guess what? I'm done with that shit cause I got money and bitches all the chickens I want. I got my own private farm. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Rooster in the house, bitch! Let's go! Why? Tell me why? Why you gotta be like that? Like that? Like that? Like that? Like that? Tell me why? Lord, tell me why? Why you gotta be like that? Like that? Like that? Like that? Like that? Rooster to the bitch, yo! Peace and respect. Wear your life vest. Don't drown. Don't do drugs, kids. Well, maybe smoke some of that ganja. That stuff is cool.